Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing N47 diesel fuel injector. First step is to remove the fuel pump mounting bracket using 13mm. A failing diesel fuel pump can cause several issues, including hard starting, power loss, sputtering, and engine surging. It can also lead to poor fuel economy, excessive smoke, and even complete engine failure. The engine may struggle to start, require excessive cranking, or not start at all. Power loss: you might notice a significant decrease in power, especially during acceleration or when towing. Now, using the same 13mm socket, remove the fuel injector pump bolts. It is important to know that you would need to also remove couple auxiliaries, such as the oil pump and inlet manifold. I will put the videos in the description below or on the top right side of this video. Now you would need to remove the fuel pump sprocket gear bolt using E14. You can use high-pressure pump puller, sprocket supporting sleeve to divide the fuel pump and the gear, but if the timing chain cover is not removed, the only option is to remove the bolt using E14. Once the bolt is loosened, you would need to slightly hit the bolt with a hammer to split the sprocket gear and fuel pump. This may take couple hits, but patience is the key. If you are removing the fuel pump for the purpose of replacing the timing chain kit comes with both the sprocket and bolt. The torque of the fuel pump bolt is 65 nanometers. When installing, there is a notch on both the fuel pump and the sprocket gear. You need to set them both to 45 degrees and install it. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.